Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about Spirit baggage policy. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the carry-on baggage allowance, each passenger can bring one personal item on board for free with a dimension not exceeding 18 by 40 by 8 inches or 45 by 35 by 20 centimeters, which must fit under the seat in front of them. And when it comes to the checked baggage fees, Spirit Airlines charges fee for all checked baggage, which vary based on route, travel dates, and whether the baggages are prepaid or paid at the airport. And when it comes to the size and weight restrictions, the maximum dimensions for checked baggage are 62 liner inches, and the maximum weight is 40 pounds, which is 18 kilograms for the standard checked baggage. And when it comes to the additional charges for the overweight and the oversized baggage, so if it's an oversized baggage like 63 to 80 liner inches and overweight baggage which is 41 to 10 to 100 pounds, subjects to specific charges. And when it comes to the special items policy, Spirit Airlines has specific guidelines and fees for transporting items such as sport equipment, musical instrument, and pets. And the passengers should review these policies and contact the customer service for accurate information on the fee and the restrictions. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.